Hello, welcome to everyone. In this video, this is the lecture series on the GATE previous year question solution. Chapter wise solution, mathematical methods are continue. We discuss the previous question 2026 and so on. Today, we want to discuss the question asked in 2022. So let's start. This is the syllabus of GATE mathematical physics. This question says what is the maximum number of free independent real parameters specifying an n-dimensional orthogonal matrix. So for an real matrix have n number of n square elements, so m to be orthogonal, then it must be satisfy this condition, that is the m transpose into m equals to 1. The product of this matrix also n by n symmetric matrix, so its number of this element will be n square. Now the independent variable is the diagonal elements plus off diagonal elements. Diagonal elements is n and off diagonal elements into n minus 1 by 2. So this will be n into n plus 1 by 2. So number of free parameters will be, total number is n square and this is the independent variable. So the free will be there minus, that is the n into n minus 1 by 2. So option C is the correct answer of this question. Next question says consider the ordinary differential equation, that is the y double prime minus 2x y prime plus 4y equals to 0 and its solution equals to y of x equal to a plus bx plus c x square. Then which one is the correct? So this is the y, so first derivative equals to b plus 2cx and second derivative will be 2c. So if you put in this expression of this derivative, you will be get easily find out that is b equals to 0 and that is 4c plus 4a equals to 0, that is c equals to minus 2a. So option B is the correct answer of this question. Next, the complex function that is f of z equals to z plus z minus a mod square. So if you put this z equals to x plus iota y, then this will be the x minus a square plus y square. So this is the real part u xy and this is the imaginary part v xy. U xy is this one, so they are partial derivative with respect to x and with respect to y equals to this one, and the corresponding v equals to y. So they are partial derivative with respect to x is 0, y equals to 1. Now use the Cauchy-Riemann condition, that is del u del x equals to del v del y and del u del y equals to minus del v del x. So this one equals to 1 and this one equals to 0. So y equals to 0, x equal to a. So this is the differential at differentiable. So b is not correct, c is correct at a comma 0. Both are elementary polynomial, so the condition is applicable everywhere, that is option A is correct. And any function of analytical differential not a single point but some open neighboring, so D also incorrect. So option C, A and C is the correct of this question. Next question, if g of k is Fourier transform of f of x, then which of following is the true? So g of k equals to Fourier transform of f of x, so taking the complex conjugate in both side, that is g star k equals to minus into plus into f star x and the complex conjugate of e to the power minus I k x plus I k x. So if you put k instead of minus k instead of k, so this will be fine. And if f of x is real, then what happen? F star x equals to f of x. So g of k, you can see this is f of x, so this is g star minus k. So option A is correct. And if f of x is purely imaginary, then f star x is equal to minus f of x. So if you put here, that is minus f of x, then this is equals to minus g of k. So option A and B is correct of this question. Next, the ordinary differential equation is given here, is regular singularity at. So this is rearranged as like that. So this is p of x, this is q of x, and this is singular point, that is p tends to infinity as x equal to plus minus 1 and x equal to 0. These are analytical. So option B is correct, and at x equal to 1 you can see this is finite. Option C is correct, and x equal to minus 1 this was finite. So these two are a regular singular point. So the regular singular point is option A, B, C is the correct answer of this question. So that's it. This is all about me. This is my contact details and this is my YouTube channel. So take care. We'll meet you in the next video as soon as possible. Thank you.